brand colors to everything. Like yellow means positive, sunshine. Orange means positive as well, but more with power positive, more with influence.
Green, nature, calmness,
money.
boys.
Blue means royalty, trust, respect.
Yes.
Purple also royalty.
Man. Come on,
you
man.
Know what I'm saying? We teach them lessons in the book already. And why are we saying this? This can help you in everyday life. This can help you in the business world. You don't even realize that the shirt you're wearing can play a huge impact on closing a deal.
Yeah.
Why do you think real estate and blue collars always wear blue collars? They want the respect and trust from their prospect in order to close more deals.
Appearance matters. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, like, that's just the world that we live in, and some people gotta accept that appearance matters. Like the way you carry yourself, like I said, you heard me say previously before, the way you carry yourself matters when you walk into a room. You know, like, and that's all the way down to the colors that you wear, depending on the event that you're at and where you're going. You know, like it's an energy. Everything carries an energy.
And even to your office, your bedroom, you got different colors. People don't even understand
all of that, bro.
They're wondering why they're so aggressive, but their office is red, painted red.
Pay attention to your mindset. Pay attention to your mindset.
They're wondering why they feel so dark and so low in place, but their office is black. Even though black attracts neutral energy, it can also be dark energy that you attract. Pay attention to every single detail in your life. From colors, from words spoken, from noise listening, from things you smell, from things everything plays a trigger to help you program yourself to manifest the reality that you want or you don't want.